Hey, what's up y'all, it's Charlie. On today's episode I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious homemade triple cheeseburgers from scratch. These burgers were inspired by Wendy's Triple Cheeseburger, which I love. Haven't had in a few years, a long time ago. Yeah. It consists of 3 hamburger patties with cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickle, onions, mayonnaise, ketchup, on top of a homemade hamburger bun. This recipe makes 2 large burgers. If you take it and cut it in half, you can actually serve 2 people with 1 burger. Now I did do a triple bacon cheeseburger in the past. If you want to check that video out, I'm going to have the link to that in the comment section and in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your Wendy's triple cheeseburger. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need 3 pounds of ground beef chuck. And along with that, you're going to need some homemade hamburger buns. Now I do have a separate recipe for this. And you can also use pre-made hamburger buns as well. I'll have the link to the recipe in the description box. And along with that, you're going to need some salt. Here I have some leftover bacon fat, salted butter, sliced American cheese. Man, I haven't eaten this in a long time. You will also need some iceberg lettuce, tomato, sliced pickles, onion, mayonnaise, and ketchup. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. So here I have a yellow onion. I cut it in half. From there, I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to slice it, of course, in about 2/16 of an inch thickness. Just like that. And if you don't like onions on your burger, you don't have to add them if you don't want to. From there, you just separate the little rings from the onion. All right, here we have the iceberg lettuce. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm just going to remove the leaf off of the iceberg lettuce. Now I'm only making 2 burgers here, so I'm gonna just remove 2 of them. Just peel it off just like that. And there we have it. We have enough lettuce. Next, I'm going to rinse my iceberg lettuce off with cold water, followed by my tomato. And from there, I'm just going to take the tomato and I'm just going to cut it into slices. So about 2/16 of an inch thickness will do. About 1 to 2/16. I'm going to say about 2 per burger because I'm only making 2. So that'll be 4 slices total. Okay, here we have our hamburger bun. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just turn it to the side and have a serrated knife right here. Close to 1 inch, just a little bit, about 1/2 inch will do. Slice it in half. And there we have it. We have the bottom and the top portion of our cheeseburger. Okay, here I have some melted salted butter and a pastry brush. And I'm just going to lightly brush butter onto the hamburger buns. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, here I have my cast iron skillet seasoned and ready to go. I'm going to let this get hot for about 2 minutes so that way we can toast the hamburger buns. And from there I'm going to add my hamburger bun. Just probably do 2 at a time. Well, actually I might just do a 3rd one. There we go. Kind of just hold it down in there. I'm going to let these toast for about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, let it go for about 1 to 2 minutes now. And this is how it looks here. Nice and toasted. So we're going to remove that. That's the other one. That's the 3rd one. Turn your fire off. Okay, let's get started with our ground beef patties. So in this large bowl, I have my ground beef. And to that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of bacon fat and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to just take my hands and I'm just going to combine all the ingredients together. Make sure you mix it really well. There we go. Okay, let's get started with assembling our hamburger patties. So on this flat chopping board that I have here, it's very thin. I'm gonna add about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of melted bacon fat on top of there. And I'm gonna just take my hand and I'm just gonna rub that onto the chopping board. This is gonna create a non-stick surface for the hamburger patty. Add 8 ounces in weight of the ground beef. Just gonna place that on top. And from there, we're just gonna press this down until it's really thin, about 2 to 3/16 of an inch thickness. So we're just gonna press it down. Okay, here I've made some indentation marks about 7 inches wide and 7 inches long. So I'm just gonna take my knife and I'm just cut right through those indentation marks. And from there you just remove the excess. And you just put this on the side and just combine that with the other ground beef you have. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, now we're ready to cook our hamburger beef patties. So here we have our cast iron skillet seasoned and ready to go. I'm going to let this get hot for about 2 to 3 minutes. And from there, add your beef patty into the hot skillet. Now frying times vary depending on the thickness and the size of the patty. And keep in mind when you're cooking the ground beef patty, it's going to shrink. Let this fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright, it's been about 4 to 6 minutes now. And our hamburger patties are done. Turn your fire off. And from there, we're going to take our hamburger patty and add it onto a serving plate with the rest of our hamburger patties. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all together. All right, let's assemble our sandwich. So we're first going to start off by adding our first patty right on top, followed by a slice of cheese. Second patty, slice of cheese. Third patty, slice of cheese, followed by our lettuce, tomato, pickles, followed by our onions. All right, here's our top portion of our hamburger bun. We're just gonna spread some mayonnaise on top of that. From there, I'm just gonna take some ketchup and just make a little pattern here. And add it right on top. And from there, it is ready to be served. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Triple Cheeseburger, made by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this delicious homemade triple cheeseburger. You can go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go eat and take a bite. Well, this is one big bite. I mean, this is a pretty, look at how big this burger is. Oh my goodness. How am I gonna eat all this? I'm gonna start somewhere. Y'all, this burger is bigger than me. I don't see how I took a bite out of this. Man, the flavor of the hamburger patty is off the chain. And then you have the combination of the lettuce, tomato, the pickle, the onion, the mayonnaise, the ketchup. I actually put quite a bit of mayonnaise and ketchup on this one, but anyways, give the recipe a try. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a good one. Peace. What am I gonna do?